Okay, today we are unpacking our rubber ducky dual lane combo with a stopper. It's a older unit. It's new. It's a brand new unit, but its design is a couple years old. It was debuted in IAFA, I believe, 2 years ago. It's manufactured by EZ Inflatables, and really cute combo unit, wet dry. The reason that I got it was twofold. One, the price was amazing. Obviously it was on sale, and they were either discontinuing it or moving it out, but I thought it was cute at the show, and when the price kind of matched up, I thought that was amazing. And the other thing is I have a use for it, and that's important. You guys need to make sure that you always have a use for a unit beyond just a good price or something like that. I do quite a bit of daycares, and this will fit right in with that, and will allow me to, provide it for them. I have a toddler line that I use for my things, and I'll put it in that. So it's really filling out a need on my end, not just buying something because the price is right. We're going to unpack it and take a look at it and give you guys the whole once through, and check it out and see what we think. All right, let's first start with the blower. It comes with a 1 horsepower solid air blower. Now, I don't have any experience with these. They are in line with a lot of the other ones that are there. I'm a little surprised that a unit this big is going to work on a 1 horse, but we'll try it and see what it's out. I am happy with the stakes. They are a good thickness. They're not the thin stakes, and they are coated. The unit comes with 6 stakes, so that's what we're going to put in it. It's packaged very well. It comes with the bag. Now, when I got it from the shipping company, there was some damage to the pallet, but not to the unit. When you're unpacking them, make sure that you check all around them and make sure everything is fine and that it haven't been damaged in any way. There's no cuts, there's no marks, scuffs, or whatever, even on the outer stuff. Now, I did find a small cut on this bag, but it may have just been there because there's nothing on the inside that looks bad. So far, so good. EZ has partnered with Ninja and kind of created this larger company. When Ninja stopped doing they stopped doing the character inflatables and things like that, they became kind of, in my eyes, less of a player, but the quality was always there. And now with EZ kind of partner up with him, I think they brought that size back to him. The weight on this is pretty good. It's you can definitely tell it's commercial vinyl. And again, just inspecting everything as we unload it, it looks really good. The vinyl is in good shape. It hasn't been used. It's not like a floor model or something like that. It's just literally been a piece that they had on sale. So yeah, looking good. Smells like a new car. Yeah, the blower seems a little bit on the chintzy side. Not real. The plastic seems thin. We'll see. We'll see how it does. Huh? Yeah, 11.1 thousand. Move this out of the way. It's struggling, isn't it? Is there any vents open on there that I missed? I think so, but it's what they put in it, so.
The blower is a 1 or?
Yeah, the blower is the one that came with it. Boy, it's thick. And the vinyl is really, really thick. This is some heavy duty vinyl there, so happy with that. I was under the impression that the pool was inflated, but it may not be. We'll see. There's a vent on the end here. There's the culprit right there. I've never seen a vent like that. That's pretty cool actually, because you could tuck that and it'll be out of the way.
It's on the opposite side, yeah.
Got the really good hose system there. It goes all the way across and it's tucked behind, so that's good. It's on top. Is that the? Oh, that's the bumper. The pool comes off and you can put the bumper on.
Oh, okay.
I actually think I kind of like that. Well, if it's gonna have any inkling that it's gonna have water on it, we'll put the pool on it. Okay. We'll leave the pool on it. Like in the winter. We'll just put that on. Really short bumper, but perfect for toddlers, which is what we're gonna market it for. So, not a problem. I do like the way that the alligator Velcro does. They have top and bottom attachments, so once it's on there, it's not going off. It's going to stay. So very good. All right, I am here with my expert, the one that's going to tell us the final say on what is going on with the Duckie combo. I'm here with Sophia, my granddaughter, and what do you think?
I think I would give it a 9 out of 10.
A 9 out of 10? That's pretty high.
Yeah, I like it.
So what are the things you like the best about it?
I like how it gives you some options. Like it's kind of it's like a bouncy house slash water slide slash basketball court.
Right. So it's got all kind of things that you can do, and you can put it in all kind of different places. So it doesn't have to be a pool party. It could be a dry party, or it could be, do you think big kids would like it more than little kids, or little kids?
I think mostly little kids. Some big kids maybe, like at least 10-year-olds at least.
Okay, so 10 and under?
Yeah, because it's kind of hard to get through it even for me.
Ah.
And I'm tall,
Yep.
but if I'm able to go through it, other 10-year-olds definitely can.
Very good.
I'm not sure about 11, 12, and 13 and higher.
There you go. Well, how many times do you think we can rent this out in a year?
I'll give it multiple years maybe.
So how many times in 1 year?
I'm not really sure.
So there's 52 weekends in a year. So what do you think? So we could do maybe 20 or 30?
Maybe 30.
30 times. Well, that's a big thumbs up.
As long as you take care of it good, yeah. You could definitely make it even longer, like 40, 50.
There you go. All right. Well, the verdict is in. Sophia has spoken. This is the new Duckie combo. Check it out at Wow Inflatables.